So welcome back to 6 Steps to a Winning Mindset. This brief video is going to get you focused in on getting ready for the whole program. So we're going to look at the 6 ingredients and start thinking about what your starting point is. Through the course of the program, definitely want to get a sense that you are going to grow and develop and make some choices that will build upon the starting point that's currently in place for you. So the starting point for each of the 6 ingredients is really key. So I want you to be able to take your time to work out what your starting point is on the 1 to 10 scale. For each of the ingredients, you're going to be able to look at what a reference point is for 1 out of 10, what a reference point is for 10 out of 10, and you're going to be able to score yourself so that you've got a really clear baseline. You may also want to have a think about asking someone else who knows you well to do a version of the scoring with you, just so that you've got another perspective to make use of. But as we go through the scoring for each of the 6 areas, you'll be able to get a pretty good idea of where you are now, where you've been in the past, but also where there's a good opportunity for you to focus within this program to get the biggest impact straight away. So that's it for this video. So get ready for each of the 6 ingredients coming up, but get a pen and a paper and be ready to start focusing in on each of the 6 areas, and we'll get you started on those.